Hey everybody, this is my second unboxing, and this is Jimmy Eat World's Features. So let's dig in. Very careful. That's the hardest part. No, that's not the hard. Oh yes, I'm doing this so far. Ta-ta, ta-da! Jimmy Eat World Features. There's a sticker. It says 140-gram vinyl edition. Awesome. Oh, here's the back. Jimmy got back. Okay, now let's do the unpeeling. Key and peeling. This one's a sticker. I want to save the sticker, so I'm gonna have to be careful. I'll try to peel around the sticker. That way, I'll just take care of that for you. I don't have to get too crazy, but still, I want to be careful. So there we go. That's all we need. So I want to mess the sticker up. There we go. Just sit that there. There we go. And there's that. I wonder if there's lyrics. Let's see. I love looking at the outside. Oh wow. That's a multifold. Just the proper terminology for it. Look at that. Check that out. Wow. I'm in love already. This is the back side. Good. And here is the middle. It just takes some time to get to it. Whoa, check that out. Try to be careful, but yeah, check that out. Whoa. Okay, now let's see if we can look at the actual vinyl. Give me a second. I wonder if there's more than just the vinyl. I honestly have no idea. I don't feel anything under here. You know, actually there is. I wonder if it's a lyric book. That would be fucking insane. I'm not saying it is or not, but I'm just very curious as to what it is. Okay, that's all it is on that side. Looks neat. Oh shit, there are lyrics. Wow. Yo, check this out. That's fucking amazing, dude. Look at that. Fucking amazing. And there's fucking lyrics. That's fucking icing on the cake. Lyrics. Look at that. It's like practice, lyrics. Oh man. This is insane. And back just showing who's who, the band and everything. It's fair to say it's Jim Atkins, Rick Birch, Zach Lind, and Tom Linton's Fair is Fair. Okay, got that. Oh man, that's fucking amazing. Honestly, I don't read the lyrics, but it's nice to have those official lyrics. I wouldn't do anything on this side. I think that's it as far as booklets and stuff, but that's fucking amazing. So let's see. So I think the vinyls is on this side because there's nothing left on this side. So no, actually, you know what? I lied. Actually, I took one of the vinyls out. Like I thought there was two. It's amazing. It's another two for. And I'll just show you what it looks like. Well, I'll put it in. That's what she said. Oh, what side is this? What she say? Actually, it is. Oh, this is side A. It's the similar. This is side A, and this is side B. Oh my God, I'm in love already. This is fucking amazing. Son, I'll be back. Okay, try to be quick. So I won't be too boring. I'll show you the second one. I'm sure it's similar, but I still want to show it. Wow. It's already one of my better final gets. Yes, it's similar, but I still want to show it. So this is side C and side D. So once I put it back in, I'm gonna end this. That wasn't too long. That's it. Bye guys. Thanks for watching and listening, and peace until next time.